Introduction. Welcome to this instructional session. Today, we are exploring a precision instrument used in laboratories where accuracy is vital, the analytical balance. This session will guide you through its setup, operating methods, and essential care practices so you can achieve reliable and consistent weighing results. What we will cover. In this video, we will cover understanding how an analytical balance works, unpacking and preparing the unit, installation and leveling, menu and control operations, calibration workflow, various weighing functions, ideal operating conditions, safety precautions, troubleshooting. Let's begin with the basics. What is an analytical balance? This instrument uses electromagnetic force compensation, allowing precise measurement even at extremely low sample weights. It is designed for high-accuracy applications in laboratories, research facilities, and industries where micro-level precision is required. Its enclosed weighing chamber protects measurements from air movement and environmental disturbances. Unpacking. When unboxing, check the packaging and seals. Remove the balance carefully. Take off all protective covers. Verify that accessories like the pan, power adapter, display indicator, and documents are included. Inspect the instrument for damage. Keep the packaging for future transport. If anything is missing or damaged, report it immediately. Installation or leveling. For accurate weighing, place the balance on a firm, vibration-free surface. Level it by adjusting the feet until the bubble sits in the center. Attach the weighing pan correctly. Connect optional communication cables if needed. Power on the unit and allow it to stabilize. Let it warm up before use. Perform a test measurement to verify accuracy. A stable setup ensures dependable readings. Menu or control overview. The interface provides access to essential settings, including unit selection, time adjustment, sensitivity and filter settings, printing options, data output formats, communication parameters. The display also supports application modes such as counting, percentage, dynamic weighing, density measurement, pipette calibration, and summation. Basic operation. To perform a weighing, ensure the chamber is clean. Power on the balance. Wait for the display to stabilize. Use tare if placing a container. Add your sample gently. Close the glass shield. Wait for the stable reading symbol. Record the result. Remove the sample and clean the area. The chamber helps eliminate air movement, improving accuracy. When to calibrate. Calibration is required after installation, after moving the instrument, periodically during routine use, after repairs, when results appear inconsistent, when environmental conditions change. Regular calibration maintains long-term performance. Calibration process. The instrument offers internal and external calibration options. For internal calibration, ensure the pan is empty. Close the chamber. Select calibration from the menu. Let the balance complete the process automatically. For external calibration, follow the instructions displayed and place the required weight only when prompted. Function modes. The balance includes a variety of functions: simple weighing, regular mass measurement, piece counting, counts identical items. Percent mode, compares weight to a reference value. Density determination, use with a gravity kit. Dynamic weighing, stabilizes readings for moving samples. Summation mode, adds multiple components. Pipette calibration, supports liquid dispensing accuracy. These modes make the balance versatile for laboratory workflows. Ideal conditions. To achieve the best performance, use on a stable, level table. Keep away from dust and moisture. Avoid vibrations from nearby equipment. Maintain recommended room temperature. Prevent airflow from doors, fans, or AC vents. Cool down warm samples before weighing. Avoid static charged containers. Store the balance covered when not in use. Environmental control is crucial for precision. Safety precautions. Always follow these guidelines. Do not overload the pan. Avoid using the device in hazardous or explosive areas. Replace damaged cables immediately. Do not attempt self-repairs. Keep liquids away from internal components. Avoid operating near high humidity areas. Install the unit at a comfortable working height. These practices protect both the user and the instrument. Troubleshooting. For common issues, no display, Check power, fuse, and transformer. Unstable readings, eliminate drafts, clean the pan, and check static issues. Poor accuracy, recalibrate, ensure proper tying, and level the balance. Overload warnings, remove excess weight immediately. This concludes the complete training guide for the analytical balance. With proper installation, careful operation, and routine maintenance, this instrument will deliver highly reliable measurements for your laboratory tasks. Thank you for watching. Dinesh Scientific, precision you can trust. For more details, contact us today.